How to update your personal information in the Wise app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update your name, address or other personal info in Wise, well here is how to do it step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on personal details. And now you just have to tap on personal information. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can view and request changes to your details like your full name, date of birth, address and phone number. And you can directly update some info like your phone number or residential address. So you just have to tap on it and make your changes, and after that you just have to hit save. And for sensitive details like your legal name or birth date, Wise might ask you to submit supporting documents like your passport or ID. So simply follow the instructions given from them. And once submitted, Wise will review your request and usually follow within the few working days. And you will get an email once everything is updated. And that's it. Updating your info in Wise is fast and secure. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.